Yo, what's up? Welcome to the Crash Course. My name is Zane Bassick. I'm the founder of a company called LeadLaunch and also a training program called the MBA Program. And I've wanted to put together a crash course like this for a little while. This is going to be a series of videos that's going to walk you through step by step exactly everything that you need to know to actually launch a digital marketing based business. Now, when I say a business, I basically mean like a skill that you can use to make some money. Do it for yourself, do it from wherever you want. I've been doing this, for the better part of more than half a decade, working for myself as a highly paid digital marketer, like a specialist, helping businesses get more customers, right? That's the skill. Now, a lot of people out there, they have sort of come to us. I've been doing this for a while. I've spoken to literally thousands of people who want to start a business. And the thing I see time and time again is that there's so much misinformation out there. They think they need to start some sort of like e-commerce business or like a software company, or they want to do everything for everybody. And it's really frustrating because the process to start a business is actually very, very simple. It just requires the right strategy and the right steps and the right process, right? The right system. So in these series of videos, I'm going to break down our system to do this. That's what the MBA program is. We've literally at this point helped hundreds of people launch an online business, right? As highly paid digital marketers. In my opinion, the simplest, easiest business that you could create if you're doing this for the first time, which I know a lot of people, like 80% of our audience, has not started a business yet because they're still on the fence, right? They're scared to do so because they don't know which way to go. There's so much, misinformation and crap out there. In my opinion, just to cut through all the fluff, the simplest thing that you can do is not to create any of your own products or services, even though the dream is big and it could be exciting, but it's to actually go and help somebody else, right? Help another business that already exists, that already has the product, the service, that is already servicing customers out there, and just help them with something. Create a service business. Why? Well, because there's very little risk involved in doing so. You don't need crazy amounts of startup capital. If you fail, you can just pick yourself up and start again, right? If you're doing this, by yourself or whatever, right? It's actually very, very straightforward. And that's the type of business that I created. And I did it literally during the hardest period of my life. I'd quit my job, already. I couldn't go back. It was like do or die. And so I had to do something legit, something that was actually going to work. There are thousands upon thousands of business owners actively every single day searching for digital marketing. It's absolutely exploding. Now, likewise, there are also so many people that are working for themselves, right? Freelancing, working online. If you look at the data on that, it's also absolutely exploding. Being self-employed in the world of digital marketing isn't just something crazy special. It is normal, right? There are people actively doing this right now. And so the question is, how do you actually win? Well, that's what I want to show you inside of this crash course. I'm going to walk you through exactly our methodology, how we do things, how we get businesses results very, very consistently while automating a lot of the work, the types of businesses that we look for to work with that are going to result in the most amount of income for you, and also the most consistency for you in terms of clients. You're not going to be doing everything for everybody. Inside of the MBA program, we've built a lot of systems and tools to help you actually execute, to help you actually build the business. So like digital marketing, very automatable. Artificial intelligence as well has entered the picture. Those that are actually using it are going to crush it in the new economy, in the new future. And those that aren't are going to kind of be at the mercy of it, right? It's just going to happen to them. And that's the thing. The world is constantly changing, right? And it is a digital world. Like business owners have to get customers online. It's no longer an option. So that's it for this quick intro. Go through the rest of the videos. My goal is to give you everything that you need to know to actually go ahead and do this. If you want to do it alone, awesome. If you want some help with it, we'll talk about that as well in the video series. All right, see you soon. So it's been over 5 years since I quit my 9-to-5 and I swore to never go back. I left to start a business, a digital marketing agency, which is a simple business model where you help other business owners grow, right? You get them more customers online. It doesn't take much to start, but I did it during one of the hardest freaking periods of my life, learning how to get them results, making deals happen, balancing it all as well with being a dad, but it paid off in the end. Because like it or not, we live in an online world. I mean, look around, people are constantly on their phones. It's called the attention economy. That's where all the money's going. So digital marketing is a skill that taps into that you can learn to work for yourself, and you can do it from anywhere. I'm on a mission to pass down the knowledge for others, right, who are also trying to make it in this world, and for my kids as well. Honestly, I'm still figuring stuff out, but I promise to share stuff that I've actually tried and tested and stuff that will help you win, because the world's changing, whether we like it or not. And it's time to get the skills. It's time to play the game.